Welcome my dear students. Today we are going to find out the area of the bounded region by integral concept. Using integration we are going to find out the bounded region of a curve or two curves. Okay. So now the first question is exercise 9.8. First question is find the area of the region bounded by 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, and x equal to minus 3, x equal to 1 and x axis. So this is the given question. Okay, so look at the given curve. It is nothing but a straight line. So we need to draw a straight line. The easy way is just to marking the x-intercept and y-intercept, we can draw the straight line. Okay. Imagine it is x-axis, draw x-axis and y-axis. If you put y equal to 0, what we are getting, x equal to minus 2. So it is minus 2. And if we are putting x equal to 0, we are getting y equal to 3. So here 3. So x-intercept is minus 2 and y-intercept is 3. Okay. By joining the 2 points, we are getting the straight line. Okay. Now we need to find out the area of the region between x equal to minus 3. So minus 2, minus 3 may be here. So this one x equal to minus 3 and here 1, 2, 3 etc. So this is x equal to 1. Our aim is to find out this. Okay. So this added region, look at here. It is the origin 0, 0. Okay. And our aim is to find out the area. So it is obtained by integral y dx with respect to x-axis. That's why integral y dx. But look at here. We need to integrate between x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 1. But look at here. Minus 3 to minus 2. The region, the bounded region below x-axis. And minus 2 to 1. It is above x-axis. Okay. So first the required area is equal to integral minus 3 to 1 y dx, but minus 3 to minus 2, it is below the x-axis. Below the x-axis means minus y dx plus minus 2 to 1, it is above the x-axis, that we have to put y dx. Okay. So here what is y? 2y equal to 3x plus 6, y equal to 1 by 2 into 3x plus 6. Okay. So y equal to 1 by 2 into 3x plus 6. Put it here. Okay. So minus 1 by 2, keep it outside, constant integral minus 3 to minus 2 3x plus 6 into dx. Similarly here plus 1 by 2 into integral minus 2 to 1 3x plus 6 dx. Integration is very simple one, minus 1 by 2. Okay. Or if you want, you can take 1 by 2 in common. So here minus, what is the integration? 3 into x square by 2 plus 6x, limit minus 3 to minus 2 plus the same 3x square by 2 plus 6x, limit minus 2 to 1. Okay. So 1 by 2 into minus, first put the upper limit. Upper limit, if you put minus 2 the whole square 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Minus 12. So upper limit over minus lower limit. Okay. So put minus 3. 9 into 3. 27 by 2. Okay. Minus 18. Okay. So over plus this minus is common. Okay. Plus the same, put 1, 3 by 2. Okay. And 6 upper limit over minus lower limit. Again what we are getting, minus 2 the whole square 4. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. Okay. Minus 12. Okay. Now 1 by 2 into multiply inside minus 6. 6 minus 12 minus 6 into minus plus 6 minus 27 by 2 plus 18, okay, plus 3 by 2 plus 6 minus 6 plus 12. So 6 minus 6 cancel, okay, and what are the values remaining? 1 by 2, okay, 6 18 24, okay, 24 plus 12 36, okay, minus 27 plus 3 minus 24 by 2, 24 by 2, sum of these two, minus 27 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 24 by 2, that is minus 12, okay. So what we are getting? 1 by 2 into 36 minus 12, okay. Sorry my dear student, here this minus is common for both the values, so here we have to multiply. Here 6 minus 12 minus 6 into minus plus 6 minus 27 by 2 into minus plus minus into minus, here minus, so nothing, so wait a minute. So 27 by 2, here 6 plus 12 18, so 18 minus 18 cancel, okay. So 27 plus 3 30 by 2, 30 by 2 is 15, so 15 by 2 square units, or you can write in decimal 7.5 square units, okay. This is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, in the exercise 9.8, find the area of the region bounded by 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, comma y equal to minus 1 and y equal to 3, okay, and y axis. So y axis, so with respect to x axis means above below, okay, above means y dx, integral y dx, below means integral minus y dx, okay. Similarly here with respect to y axis means right or left, right means x integral x dy, left means integral minus x dy. It is easy to remember. Above y axis positive y axis, below negative y axis, right side positive x axis, left side negative x axis. It is easy to remember the formula. As like the previous question, it is a straight line. To draw the straight line, just we need the x intercept and y intercept. By putting y equal to 0, we are getting x equal to minus 1 by 2. Maybe here x equal to minus 1 by 2. And by putting x equal to 0, we are getting y equal to 1. So y equal to 1 here. If we join these 2 points, we are getting the straight line 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now our aim is to find out between y equal to minus 1. So maybe here y equal to minus 1, okay, and y equal to 3 here. So our aim is to find out this shaded region, okay. So already told you, so this is 1, okay. So the required area I am writing directly. So integral minus 1 to 3 is divided into 2, minus 1 to 1, okay. It is left side of y axis, x axis, y axis. So left side of y axis means it is minus x dy. So integral minus 1 to 1 minus x dy plus integral 1 to 3 right side of y axis. So x dy, okay. What we are getting as like the previous question, if we rearrange the terms, okay. So x equal to 1 by 2 into y minus 1, x equal to 1 by 2 into y minus 1. So as like the previous question, we can take 1 by 2 outside. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 integral minus 1 to 1. So what is that? Y minus 1, if you multiply, 1 by 2 into, if you multiply minus 1, it becomes 1 minus y into dy plus 1 by 2 into integral 1 to 3, okay, y minus 1 dy. So if you want, we can take 1 by 2 in common, okay. So 1 by 2 into y minus y square by 2, limit minus 1 to 1, plus y square by 2 minus y, limit 1 to 3, Okay, I took 1 by 2 in common. So 1 by 2 into, first put the upper limit, 1 minus 1 by 2 minus lower limit minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, plus what is that? 3 square, 9 by 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, so 1 by 2 into, okay, so 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into minus plus 3 by 2. Okay, so plus 9 by 2 minus 3, here 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 into minus plus 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 into, we sum up 1 plus 3, 4, 13, 14 by 2. So 14 by 2 is 7, 7 minus 3 is 4. So 4 by 2 is 2, 2 square units. So that is the answer for question number 2. Question number 3 in the exercise 9.8. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve 2 plus x minus x square plus y equal to 0, x-axis, and between x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 3. So look at, my dear student, just rearrange that. We are getting y equal to x square minus x minus 2. So it is of the form x square equal to y. So x square equal to y means parabola open upward. So how can we draw it? Means again, just to find out x-intercept and y-intercept, by putting y equal to 0, we are getting a quadratic equation x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 1. We are getting x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 1. So x equal to 2 may be here and x equal to minus 1 here. And if we put x equal to 0, we are getting y equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 2 below. So it is a parabola open upward passing through the 3 values. Okay, so easily we can draw the diagram. And now, so remember this one. Okay, now our aim is to find out between x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 3. So x equal to 3. So the region is divided into 3 parts. Okay, so listen here. Minus 3 to minus 1, it is above. Minus 1 to 2, it is below. And 2 to 3, again above. So the required area can be divided into 3. Integral minus 3 to minus 1 above, so y dx, plus integral minus 1 to 2 minus y dx below, plus integral 2 to 3 again above y dx. Okay, so integral minus 3 to minus 1, already we know that what is y, x square minus x minus 2 into dx. So here minus integral minus 1 to 2, the same x square minus x minus 2 into dx, plus integral 2 to 3, the same x square minus x minus 2 into dx. So integration is very simple one. Integration of x square x power 3 by 3, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, minus x square by 2 minus 2x, limit minus 3 to minus 1. Okay, and minus x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 minus 2x, limit minus 1 to 2 is the same. Integral x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 minus 2x, limit 2 to 3. So put the limits, upper limit minus lower limit. First if you put upper limit, minus 1 by 1 the whole cube, so minus 1 by 3, so minus 1 by 2 plus 2 if you put the upper limit, minus lower limit, minus 3 the whole cube, minus 27 by 3, minus 9 by 2 plus 6. So one thing over. Next, here minus is common, so minus 8 by 3 minus 4 by 2, okay, minus 4 upper limit minus lower limit, but outside one minus, that minus into minus becomes plus. Lower limit one minus into minus plus. Do it carefully. Okay. So minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 2, the same. What is the first term? The same value. Okay. Next, put 3. So 27 by 3 minus 9 by 2 minus 6. 27 by 3 minus 9 by 2 minus 6 minus lower limit 8 by 3 minus 4 by 2 minus 4. Are you clear? So write every steps without any mistake. Okay, now look at here. These two terms are the similar, we can add, and these two terms are the same, we can add. And here if you multiply this minus, so what we are getting? Minus, if you multiply inside, what we get? Minus, or you can do it separately. Okay. So first minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Okay. And the next one minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1. 2 plus 2 4. Okay. And here if you multiply minus into minus plus 27 by 3, here 27 by 3, so 54 by 3. Okay. Minus into minus, plus 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2, cancel these two values. Okay, cancel. And minus 6 minus 6, don't forget to multiply the negative inside. Minus 6 minus 6, it becomes minus 12. Okay. And the next one, combine these two terms. Minus 8 by 3 minus 8 by 3 minus 16 by 3. Okay. And 4 by 2. So minus into minus plus, or we can 2 times. Here also 2 times. So plus 2 plus 2. So plus 4. Okay. And the next one, minus into minus plus. So here also plus, 4 plus 4, 8. Okay. So now here minus 2 minus 16 minus 18 by 3 plus 54 by 3. Combine these three terms. Okay. 54 by 3 minus 18 by 3, 36 by 3. Okay. Remaining here 4 plus 8, 12. We can cancel this, minus 12. Okay. And here 4 minus 1 plus 3. So if we cancel 12 times, okay, what is remaining? 12 plus 3, 15 square units. So this is the answer for question number 3. Question number 4 in the exercise 9.8. The question is, find the area of the region bounded by the line y equal to 2x plus 5 and the parabola y equal to x square minus 2x. So first we need to draw the diagram. So first listen, obviously x square equal to y, it is a parabola open upward. So to find out this one, put y equal to 0. So x into x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 0 or x equal to 2, we are getting two values. So x equal to 0 and 1, 2, x equal to 2. It is passing through the 2 points, x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. This is the parabola. Okay. And to get the straight line, again y equal to 2x plus 5. If you put y equal to 0, we are getting x equal to minus 2 by 5. So maybe here minus 2 by 5, minus pi by 2. So minus 2.5. So it is, this is the value, minus pi by 2 or minus 2.5. And if you put x equal to 0, we are getting y equal to 5. So y equal to 5 maybe here. I am just making approximate. Okay. So if we draw a straight line, imagine it is x equal to 5 and it is y equal to 5 and it is x equal to minus 2.5. So we need to find out this shaded region, okay, area bounded between the parabola and the straight line. So for that one we need this meeting point, okay. We need only the x limit because we are going to integrate with respect to x, because look at here. So above minus below, okay. Here with respect to x-axis means in the shaded region, look at the shaded region alone, the straight line is above and the parabola is below. So we are going to use the concept above minus below. So we need the x limit. For that one, solve the given two curves, okay. So x square minus 2x equal to 2x plus 5. So x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. If we solve, what we are getting, addition minus 4, product is minus 5. So what are the two values? So x minus 5 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 5 or x equal to minus 1. If you want, you can find out the y limit. If you put x equal to minus 1, y is 3. X equal to minus 1, y is 3. If x equal to 5, y is, what is that? Y is 15. That's not needed, okay. So we need, this point is minus 1 comma 3 and this point is 5 comma 15. Anyway, we need only the x limit, okay. So remember this one. Now the required area equal to integral. So minus 1 is the lower limit and 5 is the upper limit, okay. So y2 minus y1 into dx. So integral minus 1 to 5. y2 means which is above in the shaded region, the straight line. So 2x plus 5, okay, minus below, what is that parabola, x square minus 2x into dx, okay. So simplify, integral minus 1 to 5, 4x, already we know that. What is that, 5, 2x plus 2x, 4x minus x square into dx. The integration is very, very simple one. So 5x plus 4x square by 2 minus x cube by 3, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula, very, very simple one. So first to put the upper limit, okay, 5 into 5, 25 plus 25, 5 square is 25 into 4. So here we can cancel 2 times. So 2x square. So 25 into 2, 50, okay. So minus 5 cube, 125 by 3 minus lower limit, put minus 1, minus 5, minus 1 the whole square plus 1, 1 into 2, 2, okay, minus 1 the whole cube minus, so minus into minus plus 1 by 3. So do it carefully. What is that? 75 minus 125 by 3. So minus 5 plus 2 minus 3, minus into minus plus 3, okay, minus 1 by 3. So 75 plus 3, 78, 125 minus, so sum up these two, minus 126 by 3, cancel by 3, 4 times and 2 times. So 78 minus 42, 36 square units. So that is the answer for question number 4. Exercise 9.8, question number 5. Find the area of the region bounded by the curves y equal to sin x and y equal to cos x between x equal to 0 and x equal to pi. So first we need to draw the sine curve and cos. So listen here, it is a sine curve. Sin 0, 0, sin pi by 2 is 1, okay. So it is 1 and sin pi 0, sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1, sin 2 pi 0. So this is the curve y equal to sin x, and cos 0 1, cos pi by 2 0, cos pi minus 1, cos 3 pi by 2 0. So this is the cos curve. Okay, so listen here. So we need to, what is the point of this meeting point means sin x equal to cos x. What is in the first quadrant means x equal to 45 degree. It is well known one. So listen here, it is cos y equal to cos x, and it is y equal to sin x. So between 0 and 45, cos above, sin below. So cos x minus sin x. So between 45 and 180, sin above, cos below. Okay, so that is the answer. The required area, the required area or required area of the bounded region is equal to integral divided into 2, 0 to pi by 4. Okay, so cos above, sin below, cos x minus sin x into dx plus 5 by 4 to pi, sin above, cos below. So sin x minus cos x dx. Okay, so very simple one. Cos x integration sin x. Okay, sin x integration minus cos x, but here minus, so plus cos x. Okay, limit 0 to 45 plus sin x integration minus cos x integration sin x. Okay, pi by 4 to pi. First put the upper limit 45 degree. So sin 45, cos 45, both are 1 by root 2. Okay, if you put lower limit, okay, upper limit over minus lower limit sin 0 0, cos 0 1. Okay, plus cos pi minus 1, so minus into minus plus 1. Okay, and sin phi 0, so upper limit over lower limit, both are minus 1 by root 2. So upper limit minus 1, so minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay, so what is that? This is 2 by root 2. Okay, this minus 1 plus 1, we can cancel it. Here 2 by minus 2 by root 2 into minus plus 2 by root 2. Okay, so 4 by root 2, that is 2 root 2. This 4 can be 2 into 2. If we cancel, we are getting 2 root 2 square units. This is the answer for question number 5.